Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to set environment parameters. Let's try it together. Enter Interior Design. Select Render in the toolbar on the left. After entering the render page, pull the Basic Settings bar at the left of the bottom, and you will see the Environment Settings area. Select the desired environment scene. Move the mouse to Frequently Used Exterior Scenes to reveal the pin icon, allowing you to set it to the top for easy access. Hover the mouse over the selected environment to display the parameter bar icon, where you can set parameters such as environment rotate, brightness, ambient light brightness, and tone. Move the mouse to the question mark icon next to the parameter bar to see the effects of adjusting that parameter. That's all. Thanks for watching.